for we die Sam George Sam Nate George Ningo Pram MP NDC and who actually no papa vetting committee ni say Afenyo Markins or Sam George na sum enjoy the crowd say Sam George ne demonstrations ni manema bin sembi mu a okeka fa judges from hu na de demonstration no lead ye comment bi mu Sam George yeah Sam George ya Ghana for special NPP form pin for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Nana Jodanko Akufo-Addo ndoko pimo vetting committee ni bisa ne say Sansem no kan ni nyina no onu ne ho anase onu ne ho ye odofo Sam George ne reply a ode be ma no anase ode mai no chese wangasa na be shock you na Afenyo Markins chese o ma ne ho nto no kra o ma ne back to back obisa ne questions which means Sam George ne ho achi ni pa odofo manko na yembonra vetting committee ho no nsema course ho no ne fa ni nyina embrel acromatics Sam George na ne ho achi na vetting committee ni chese ye man SWEATS ankasa yibisa ne questions back to back based on ankasa ne comments ene nsema okaka fa Ghana for mpanyifo president former president Nana Jodanko Akufo-Addo ene the vice president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nsema okaka fa omo judges ene omo leaders na adi na disia no John Dramani Mahama wa man communication minister disia vetting yibisa na no mu nsem vetting na Afenyo Markins say o man ho nto no kra say o man Sam George or SWEATS vetting committee ho no na menso megini nyina ebrel acromatics so for manko na yenkwaje sansem won nyina nchire mu vetting committee ho ne ba yede dia kan nyina so kama akroma TV ya
for public records that Her Ladyship the Chief Justice deliberately delayed the suits that was before the Supreme Court. It is your case.
Mr. Chairman, my argument had always been...
Honorable nominee, respectfully. Is it your case that the LGBT case mounted by my respected friend Richard Delasky, barrister at law, etc., was deliberately delayed by the Chief Justice of the Republic? Is that your position? Yes, no?
Mr. Chairman, the description are your attributions, not mine. My words were that she had the power to move the case faster than it was being done. And subsequent actions after the demonstration that I led have actually proved my position to be true. That when the Chief Justice gives a timeline, everybody, respondent or plaintiff, Attorney General inclusive, must abide by it. When she invoked her powers, everybody complied. So my contention that she could have expedited it if she had given earlier timelines were proving right by her subsequent actions. Thank you.
Do you think that prior to your comment, she was not doing her job well? Is that your case?
Mr. Chairman, I thought she could have done better in the exercise of her public office.
Do you think that your commentary was fair to her?
Mr. Chairman, I believe that all public officers are subject to constructive criticism, and I consider my comments constructive criticism.
Honorable Sam George, the process of empaneling, the process a case travels involving parties cannot be at the instance of the Chief Justice of the Republic. Do you agree to that?
The rules of procedure dictate who is responsible for empaneling of judges in cases.
Do you have evidence that my lady, the Chief Justice, delayed in empaneling justices for the case?
Mr. Chairman, there was never a question about a delay in empaneling. There was a question about a delay in hearing.
What occasioned the delay in hearing?
Mr. Chairman, I believe that only the Chief Justice can explain to this House why, when she gave us a date of July 18th for ruling, when we appeared before her on the 18th of July, she chose to adjourn ruling on the matter indefinitely. I can't speak to her reasoning.
Were you a party in the case?
Not directly, sir.
Were you a party in the case? Were you a party in the suit?
Not on the record.
Had you filed as an interested party in the suit, Mr. Sam George?
Not on the record.
Was it fair?
Leader, you just
Chairman, thank you very much. Honorable nominee, you have just answered to the question from the ranking that you were not a party of record in the matter under interrogation, and you also did not file as an amicus. But can you confirm whether the subject of the litigation affected you?
Very much so. I was one of 8 sponsors of the bill before the court.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I would want to respectfully crave the indulgence of my colleagues to allow us to have a good understanding of what we are doing. Have a smooth inquisition that will help democracy.
Order for Munyamoko share Sam George and the home action Afenyo Markins and Obisan and some back to back. They say Sam George demonstration be more Cassity Chief Justice no Afenyo Markins and say some of the Kafa Chief Justice no quine swan no ana. No say all public office holders no they are subject to constructive criticisms. And you know say oye bibisa na no quine swan and Afenyo Markins bisa law questions or the name come and out to me say Sam George no o share say oyi seminar no na to me say I say ehu ya abone kakra this be Afenyo Markins or the ne kokko no say ehu ya abo enua bema Sam George Honorable Sam Nate George ningo pampam MP no odofo we na ensema ekoso Sam George na ka chia me so mede nyina ebrew akomatives vetting committee no and then could be more na ensema ye de bobo no ne questions in bisa no na no share odofo aha na me Sam George nsem nyina bisi akomatives si ade we de munya bisi makram